สวีดัสสวัสดีค่ะเจอแม่บ้านกันหูอีกครั้งแล้วนะคะวันนี้แม่บ้านกันหูกับนี่นะคะคุณสามีนะคะก็ออกมาที่จะมานั่งเรือนะคะเดี๋ยวจะให้ชมกันเนาะ
right-hand side of you come in is the old RAF base of Mount Blanford, being an air to the rest base of the water, focus on some of the line goes to what? Air service is short, better known as Lawrence of Arabia, served here in the 1930s, he was one of the founder members of the Air Defence Base. In a few moments while he's slowing the boat down, we turn back onto the bar, before we drop you off. Ahead of the boat will be the lock gate, going through to the subsidy pool. The lock gates were in place in the 1990s, with the increasing high tides which kept flooding the Barbican area, much to the annoyance of the residents and local shops. Since the lock gates were introduced, we now have a new fish market as well as a new marine aquarium. Just to the left of the lock gates will be the Mayflower Steps Memorial, where the Pilgrim Fathers set sail to the New World. Still going to be dropping you back off on the Barbican now. Give us a few moments to get a few ropes or let you know where this takes you before you continue. Just want to thank you on behalf of myself and my team for joining us today. It's been an absolute pleasure having you aboard. Thank you so much for joining us. If you have enjoyed your trip, and you'd like to show your appreciation to myself and the crew, just where you step up on the bow, there's a little tip provided. We'd be very, very grateful. Stay your care as you are stepping off the boat. Watch the step as you get down. The crewman will be there to assist you.
นี่นะคะถ้าใครชอบผู้ชายหนุ่มในเครื่องแบบนะคะมาที่นี่เลยนะคะจะไม่ผิดหวังนะคะ เพราะว่าการันตีได้จากเรือรบต่างๆนะคะต้องมีเรือลำหนึ่งก็หลายร้อยเนาะเรือลำหนึ่งก็หลายร้อยคนเหมือนกันงั้นถ้าใครชอบผู้ชายในเครื่องแบบก็มาเที่ยวนะคะเพลมัสนะคะจะได้ผู้ชายในเครื่องแบบอย่างแม่บ้านกันหูไงคะ